Right here I have this amazing flannel shirt from COOFANDY that I wanted to show you guys. So this is going to be the classic traditional flannel, the red and the black. You can't go wrong with a color like this, although they do have a ton of other colors to choose from, so go ahead and make sure you check those out. I am 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size medium and I think that it does fit absolutely perfect. It's a nice soft feel on the outside. It's definitely very, very smooth, comfortable. It's pretty thick too for winter, fall days, spring. It's gonna feel really good on the skin and keep you warm. Now, something like this would be perfect to have underneath a vest. I think it just looks amazing. You can even just layer these under a jacket in the wintertime and you're gonna be so comfy. Now, I'm gonna point out a couple key features that these have to offer. Now, you can see on the cuff here, we do have adjustable buttons, so you can get these nice and snug. I have this on the outer one, but you can snug this up one more just so it can be a little tighter on the wrist. And then we also get one right here on the forearm, so you can roll these up for a really nice look. This goes all the way up to the top, so you can button these up. I do like how they have accents with the white buttons. They feel really nice. And then we even got a functional pocket here. So overall, this is gonna be a really nice flannel that's gonna keep you really comfortable all day long. I would wear something like this out on a night out of town, date night, maybe even to the office if you're going into an event, or if you just wanna lounge around in the house, run some errands, throw one of these on. You're gonna stay warm and it's also gonna look really nice as well. This is gonna be made with 100% polyester material that's very comfortable on the skin. I give this a 10 out of 10. Make sure you check out all the other color options they have to offer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.